Welcome to the Tertiary Access Program at Chisholm Institute. My name's Dr. Andy Bridges, and I'm the Dean of Higher Education at Chisholm. The Tertiary Access Program will introduce you to the academic skills required to participate in higher education courses. We know that our students come from many backgrounds. Some of you may not have studied for a while. Some of you may have recently completed a diploma, but are nervous about writing extended essays or giving presentations. This program is intended to support you to become a self-directed, active, and confident learner. It's personalised to provide you with assistance in the areas you need it most. Our engaged and accessible teachers are experienced in identifying the help you need to perform at your very best. Upon completion of the program, you will be fully prepared to continue your learning in one of Chisholm's degree or certificate courses. I look forward to meeting you and hearing about your learning journey with us.